guys, this is Leeann Bermudez and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great time today. I'm going to talk about question words, their definitions, and the examples in English. Who is asking about a person? Who are your best friends? Where is asking about a place. Where do you live? What is asking about a thing? What's your favorite color? When is asking about a time of an event or an activity. For example, when is his birthday? Why is asking for a reason. For example, why are you always late? Which is asking about an option or choice. For example, which day do you prefer to go out? How many is asking about a number. Again, how many is asking about a number. For example, how many people live in this city? Oh, that would be a lot. Next, how far is asking about a distance. Like, how far is the university from your house? How much is asking about an amount or price. For example, how much money do I need? How much money will I need? Next is how long. How long is asking about a length of time or size. For example, how long do I have to wait? How often is asking about frequency. Okay, when we say frequency, it's just like this. For example, how often do you visit your parents? How is asking about a procedure or method. For example, how can I learn French easily and quickly? That's all for today. Have fun learning.